Hello children, welcome back to our channel Class 7 Maths. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 1.1.1 problem. Here they have asked write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. So let's discuss with what is an integer. Integer is a combination of positive numbers and negative numbers including 0. So I am representing integers in a number line. So in the number line I am writing 0 in the middle. Right of the 0 I am writing positive numbers. If I am not representing any sign before the number, we have to assume it is a positive sign. And left side I am writing minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on up to minus n. So now we know, right, integers is a positive combination of positive numbers, negative numbers with 0. In the question they have asked pair of integers. What is pair of integers? Pair means 2. So pair of integers means we need to take 2 integers. So those 2 integers can be a combination of anything. Let's take 2 integers can be a positive numbers means a comma b. Both can be negative minus a minus b. One positive and other is negative. So we can write a comma minus b minus a comma b. We can say like that is inclusion of 0 also. Let's take 0 comma b. Same thing will apply for negatives also. So these many combinations we can use. So by using these combinations, now we are going to solve the first question. So the first question is sum is minus 7. So here they are giving the sign is plus and the result is minus 7. So now I am taking, I'm going to write the 5 pairs of integers. So here I am taking minus 10 plus 3 equals to minus 7. So the pair is minus 10 comma 3. Minus 15 plus 8 equals to minus 7. So the pair is minus 15 comma 8. Now I am taking with the 0 combination, that is minus 7 plus 0 equals to minus 7. So minus 7 comma 0. Now I am taking one more, minus 20 plus 13 equals to minus 7. So minus 20 comma 13 is the pair. I am taking the last pair, minus 8 plus 1 equals to minus 7. So the pair is minus 8 comma 1. So based on the question for sum, we have used the positive sign and the pairs are minus 10 comma 3, minus 15 comma 8, minus 7 comma 0, minus 20 comma 13, minus 8 comma 1. So now the question is second, B is write down a pair of integers whose difference is minus 10. As we all know, in the number line, integer number line, we are having 0 plus positive numbers and negative numbers. So by using this, we are going to solve the whose difference is minus 10. So I am taking here as difference means we have to take minus and the result is minus 10. So the numbers I am taking here as 3 comma 13 equals to minus 10. So 3 minus 13 equals to minus 10. So the pairs are 3 comma 13 and I am taking minus 6 plus 4 plus into minus minus. So we can add minus 6, 4, minus 10. So the pair are minus 6 plus 4. And one more pair I am taking minus 2 comma plus 8. So here I am writing plus 8 only. So we all know minus into plus is the minus. So minus 2 minus 8. If the two signs are same, we have to add. So minus 10. So the pairs are minus 2 comma plus 8. And now I am taking one more pair, 7 minus 17. So the answer is minus 10. The pairs are 7 comma 17. So one last pair, 12 minus 22 minus 10. 12 comma 22 is the pair. So we have used the minus sign for difference and the pairs are 313 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 comma 8 7 comma 17 12 comma 22. Now we are going to solve the one more one. So now write down a pair of integers whose sum is 0. So just quickly I am just representing integers in number line: 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. So whose sum is 0. Sum means we have to use the plus sign and the result is 0. So one thumb rule is like, if we add any number with that opposite sign, we will get the result as 0. Let's take minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. So the pairs are minus 3 comma 3. Vice versa also we can write. Okay, I am taking 3 comma minus 3 3. They have used plus, right? So we have to use the plus sign only. 3 plus of minus 3 equals to 0. Plus into minus minus, so that is 0. So can you write 3 more pairs in this combination? So with this we have completed the exercise 1.1.1 problems. So we'll meet in the video. Thanks for watching. So please subscribe to our channel, Class 7 Maths.